Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to sign up for Chase Bank online banking account. Chase is an American multinational banking and financial services holding company. Now, to sign up for your Chase Bank account, open one preferred browser. Here I am opening Google, www.chase.com. Now you will be led to this official page of Chase Bank account. Now at the right side you can see this login box. At the bottom you can see this not enrolled sign up now option. You need to click over there. Now before enrolling you need to choose your account type, which is personal, business or commercial. Here I am choosing personal. Now you need to write down your account card or your application number. Likewise, a social security number. In case if you don't have a social security number, you can simply click on no social security number and they will guide you for the further process. Now after that you need to create your username. Make sure that the username that you created matches all the criteria over here. Now after you are done writing your information, you can simply click on next. Chase may ask you to verify your identity through your phone number or email address associated with your account. You will also need additional security features like security question or two-factor authentication. After you are done signing up for your account, you can simply go back to your home page. Now in this box, you can simply write down your username and your password. And you can simply click on remember me if you want to be remembered for the next time you log into your Chase Bank account. And after you are done writing your credential, you can simply click on sign in and you will be logged into your Chase Bank account. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.